Jina AI claims to revolutionize search infrastructure with AI, but does it actually deliver? If you're curious about how it stands up against traditional search methods, stick around as we dive into its core functionalities and user experience. Jina AI is designed to provide a more intelligent search experience by leveraging neural search technology. At its core, it allows developers to build powerful search solutions that can handle unstructured data, which is a big deal in today's data-rich environment. The user experience feels intuitive, especially for tech-savvy users who want to integrate advanced search capabilities into their applications. One standout feature is its ability to process complex queries in real time and provide relevant results quickly. However, I found that the documentation isn't as comprehensive as one might hope, which could leave some users feeling a bit lost, especially if they encounter issues. The intended audience seems to be developers and businesses that need customized search solutions, but I wonder if more casual users might feel overwhelmed by the technical setup. Overall, while the platform appears robust, there are elements that feel a little unclear, particularly around the integration process. When it comes to strengths, Jina AI's ability to handle large datasets and deliver fast, relevant search results is impressive. For developers looking for a highly customizable solution, this platform could be a game changer. However, there are some downsides. The documentation could use a lot of improvement. More detailed guides would definitely help users get started more smoothly. Pricing is another area of concern. Without clear information on costs, potential users might hesitate to commit. Additionally, while the platform is powerful, it may not suit those who are looking for a plug-and-play solution. Businesses with less technical expertise might find it challenging to fully utilize Jina AI's capabilities. In short, while it has solid potential, it's not without its hurdles. In conclusion, Jina AI is worth considering for developers who need a sophisticated search infrastructure, especially if they're comfortable navigating a more technical setup. However, if you're looking for something straightforward, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it shows promise, but be prepared for a learning curve.